This is the Basari Clinic, funded by donations raised by Nepali native Sita Gurung and Denise Atwood of Ganeshamal Trading. Born when two star-crossed old friends had a chance reunion after their initial meeting 30 years ago in the remote village of Basari, Nepal. They came together to fundraise and spearhead the Basari Clinic, which has been successful in providing medicine and emergency services since 2010 to those who previously had no access to any health care whatsoever. This clinic does not just serve the region of Basari. It is a vital resource to several other districts and the surrounding villages of Daje, Bengare, Borle, Katige, Majua, and Dadagam. A 7.8 magnitude earthquake shook the country of Nepal to the core. This was followed by a 7.3 earthquake on May 12th and over 100 aftershocks, taking the lives of 8,500 people and injuring almost twice as many. The Basari Clinic is now gone, and 7,000 people have lost their only medical facility in this remote Himalayan region. Their geographic isolation, coupled with the lack of infrastructural support by their government, has made the clinic invaluable to those already struggling. The Conscious Connections Foundation, in conjunction with Ganeshamal Trading and Sita Gurung, are coming together to connect you with the people of Nepal when they need you the most, as they grapple with this horrendous natural disaster. For every $1.25 that you donate, another Nepali man, woman, or child is given a chance to have health care. It only takes $12.50 to keep the clinic open each day. With your help, we will work closely with the villagers of Basari and get this clinic back up and running by next year. Partner with us, and you will provide medicine, health services, and hope for thousands in this remote region of Nepal. Thank you.